simple interest on 1400 at a certain rate of interest for 3 years is less than that on rupees 1800 for the same duration at the same rate of interest is 80 rupees. The English is slightly difficult for you to understand. I can ask you to write the English. Simple interest on rupees 1400 at a certain rate of interest for 3 years is rupees 80 less than on rupees 1000 same rate of interest. I will read correct. This English is slightly better. You write simple interest on 1400, sentence is correct, only insert. Problem 12. Simple interest on rupees 1400 at a certain rate of interest for 3 years is 80 rupees less than that on rupees 1800 for the same duration at the same rate of interest. The 80 rupees if you put there, easily understandable. Find the rate of interest. Two transactions involved problem. First transaction, simple interest on 1400, principal 1400. Again if you read, 1800 rupees invested for the same duration, same rate of interest. Another sum 1800 invested. They calculate the simple interest. First transaction simple interest, second transaction simple interest. First transaction simple interest less, second transaction is simple interest more. The difference is 80 rupees. That is the meaning. Now you write. In this problem, two principles are involved. In this problem, two principles are involved. Namely, rupees 1400, one principle. Second one is 1800. Hence, problem belongs to two transactions. Problem belongs to two transactions. First transaction. First transaction. Heading. P, principal 1400 at a certain rate of interest n 3 years. R question mark, IA question mark. Simple interest. Simple interest is less. You have to calculate simple interest first transaction. You will not get the numerical value. Your answer will be in I. Numerical or two unknowns. We have two unknown. R is unknown. SI unknown. Two unknowns, if you have numerical answer, you won't get. One unknown means we have a numerical answer. Two unknown, two question mark. R and I, one question mark. R and I, we used to call one question mark. I if you know, R you can find. R if you know, I you can find. I question mark 1, SI question mark 2. Why sir we are calculating SI? Mean simple interest on 1400. Simple interest on 1400 mean simple interest on 1400 you have to calculate. You cannot get numerical answer. Anyhow your answer you have to write. Simple interest is question. I value do not know. Your answer is 7200 I. Now you write up to this. First transaction simple interest you have to calculate. Second transaction simple interest you have to calculate. Second transaction more. If you calculate the difference 80 rupees. Second transaction 80 rupees more. First transaction 80 rupees less. Second transaction. Second transaction simple interest. Simple interest difference is 80 rupees. First transaction, second transaction, what simple interest you are getting compared. So first transaction 80 rupees less. First transaction 80 rupees less means second transaction is more. Second transaction minus first transaction is equal to 80. Second transaction P is equal to 1800. Same duration, 3 years. Same rate of interest, we do not know I, same I. Yes, I. Same I you have to put. Same duration 3 years you have to put. Principal change is 1800. You have to calculate SI. Second transaction SI you look 1800 I. First transaction SI you look 4200. 4200. 4200 I. 7200. Second transaction I is 5400 I. Second transaction is simple interest more. So given the problem, first transaction SI is 80 rupees less than the simple interest on the second transaction. If I say my mark is 40 less than my friend's mark. My mark is 40 less than friend's mark. Friend's mark minus my mark is equal to 40. My mark is less than my friend 40. So friend more mark. So friend mark minus my mark is equal to 40. First transaction 80 rupees less than the second transaction. Second transaction SI, first transaction SI is equal to 80. Given first transaction SI is equal to rupees 80 less than second transaction. First transaction SI minus second transaction, first transaction SI is 80 rupees less than second transaction. Second transaction SI minus first transaction SI. First transaction less mean higher value first you write. Question is, rate of interest is asked 1200 I is equal to 80.